ANOV offers a lot of features and specifications that make it nothing short of a house on wheels that makes it possible to live on the road. There are many products available to choose RV roof vent fans, each with different characteristics, benefit and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best RV roof vent fans from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Reversible Manual Lift Trailer Camper Van. The RV RV Roof Vent Fan is our second pick for this list today, and it is also one of the best options for 14x 14 inches roof openings. With 10 powerful blades, the RV Roof Vent Fan manages to push huge volumes of air while consuming a comparatively lower amount of power. This option also offers both intake as well as exhaust functions, along with 3 speed options for personalization and performance. As for safety, the RV Roof Vent Fan comes with built-in fuse protection powered by a 5-amp fuse with 2 additional fuses included in the package for future replacements. You also get an additional fan cover so that you won't have to look for any replacement parts anytime soon. The motor powering these fans operates the fan at about 1,200 RPM, offering nearly 950 CFM airflow at maximum speed. Number 2. Hike Crew 14 RV Roof Vent Fan. The Hike Crew RV Roof Vent Fan is the first option on our list of the best RV roof vent fans, and it is also the most popular option compared to many other brands for RV accessories, so you will be getting a reliable roof fan within a decent budget. This is also a versatile option as you get 3 speed settings along with intake and exhaust mode, which is usually not provided with many other options. The power rating for the Hike Crew RV Roof Vent Fan is about 40 watts, whereas the input requirement is within 0.5 to 2.5 amp based on user preference. Hike Crew also ships all necessary accessories along with the fan. So, all you will need is a screwdriver and a sealant, and you can install this fan with ease on a standard 14x 14 inches opening. And with dual wind action, the Hike Crew RV Roof Vent Fan becomes a viable choice for summer as well as winter. Number 3. Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan. The Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan is arguably the best option that we could find for this list of the best RV roof vent fans, most importantly because it is a smart variant. Unlike most other options, the Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan comes with an automatic lid that closes as soon as it detects rain or water contact. This is also a reversible RV roof vent fan with ultra-low noise performance and 4 different speed settings. Controlling the Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan is also pretty simple as you get a remote control along with the set. You will be able to control the state, speed, or direction of the fan directly with the remote along with manual lid control. On the inside, the Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan houses a brushless motor, which is nearly 5 times more reliable than its competitors. But all of these features certainly come at a very expensive price tag. Number 4. Camper Trailer Universal White Lid Roof Vent. KK Roof Vent has designed to enhance your RV experience. It fits roofs that are between 1.14 inches and 2.14 inches thick. This vent has a 12-volt fan with 6-inch blades that runs on a simple 2-wire system, making sure air circulates well in your vehicle. It is waterproof, ensuring your RV stays leak-free on rainy days for a worry-free experience. This fan is designed to run on electricity and serves as an exhaust fan. It has a standard motor, making it suitable for various applications. It uses 12 watts of power and has 6 blades, each measuring 6 inches in length. This powerful fan operates at 1 decibel, ensuring a calm and peaceful environment. This roof vent is lightweight, making it a convenient addition to your RV without sacrificing performance. It is reliable for anyone looking for a well-ventilated and comfortable RV journey. It comes with 1-year warranty. Number 5. Leisure Coachworks 14x14 RV Roof Vent Fan. If you would rather prefer a basic option for an RV roof vent fan, then check out this option from Leisure Coachworks. This is one of the most versatile brands on the market and deals with almost all types of RV accessories. We have the Leisure Coachworks RV Roof Vent Fan. This is also a popular option and is currently installed in hundreds of RVs out there. As we mentioned before, this is a rather simple option designed for all year-round usage. It offers air intake as well as exhaust with a single speed setting for each. Plus, there is a manual riser that allows you to easily open or close the lid from the inside. The Leisure Coachworks RV Roof Vent Fan is a universally compatible RV roof vent fan that works with 2 to 4 inches thick RV roofs and the standard 14x 14 inches roof openings. As for the installation, Leisure Coachworks has made it as simple as it can be with just 2 connecting wires. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.